Hello everyone, welcome to our channel NiftyHMS. Today we'll walk you through how to set up consulting hours in NiftyHMS as a doctor, and also we'll show you how to take appointment, how to set up an appointment from the admin side. So sometimes receptionists will do this from their end. Apart from the mobile app and WhatsApp appointment booking, there is a third way of setting up appointment from the NiftyHMS platform. So let's just get started. So once you have logged in as a doctor using your provided credentials, you will see a dashboard like this where you will have different data, sort of patient, how many patients you have and things like that. And from the menu, you will click on appointment. So this first time you are doing this setup and it only requires one time setup. So click on schedule setup as you can see on screen, and then you need to set up your weekly consulting hours. For example, on Monday you might have 9 to 5, on Tuesday you might have 9 to 1, and then 3 to 5. So you can provide those kind of consulting hours in the system. So this is very easy to use system where you will set up hour, minutes, and whether it's a AM or PM timing that you can set up in the system. So from to 2 timing you set up, and you can set up multiple slots in this thing. So if you are doing 9 to 1, then 3 to 5, then 6 to 8, you can ideally define those time slot in here. Once you are done with that, you can just save an appointment time. Saturday and Sunday, if you're not doing, just uncheck the boxes. So you have set up the appointment time successfully. Now your consulting hours is set up. Now let's just go and see how the appointment schedule link. This is a hot link that we are trying to create. So it's coming up as a card. So you can also add your own card. So we'll just go through it. So where you just click appointment clinic, 10-15 minutes appointment. You can also display title like regular appointment or remote consulting appointment, or set up a pricing depending on your country from you are. So and also you also have option to enable or disable these particular services. So if it is follow-up appointment, you will just tick that boxes, or else just leave it as blank as we are doing. Once you are done with adding card, you can just save it. So now the newly created card is coming up. Now you can just copy that link and provide to your patients or put it up on your website. So this is when you click on share button, and it comes up instantly with the link. This is the link that you will put up on your Google business listing, your social media, or website. Everywhere you can post this link, and using this link your patient can easily book an appointment with you. We also have the website add to website option where you can add this 15 minutes consulting meeting with your patient on your website. It's easy to click button, and then your patient will be able to book an appointment with you. So this is how it works. You can create as many cards you want in the system. You can also edit the card. I mean, if you have made any mistake, you can also edit the card. Maybe pricing, if you want to change, maybe number of times. I mean, instead of 10 minutes you want to do 20 minutes, you can also do that. So right now we are just disabled, so you can just see one card because the other card was disabled. It's coming up as a deactivate services. You can activate as well. I mean, just click on activate button and it's get activated. So then you can just enable, click on enable option, and the card will be activated for you. So this is how it works. And again, everything else remains same. Your shareable link of appointment is same as we have seen earlier. Now let's just see how an appointment can be added from the backend. This could be done by your staff. So you just select a 10 minutes time slot and the calendar opens up. So you can select the date, time, confirm the appointment, and then it asks you for the mobile number of the patient's name, the email ID. So this would be used to send them the reminder or appointment confirmation. So you can easily get patient to remind their upcoming appointments. Also, you as a doctor get the email of whenever the appointment is confirmed. So now we added the details. Now we can just click on book appointment, and it will show us if there is online payment option, then it comes up with the payment option. If it is offline, then the appointment is confirmed successfully. So you can the appointment is booked successfully, as you can see, and it is also available on the calendar. So this calendar would be helpful for you to plan your day. So here is how easy to set up your consulting hours as well as an appointment. Just to remind you, this is the appointment that we have shown you from the backend. So either your receptionist or your nursing staff will add the appointment. Of course, the consulting hours will be set up by you as a doctor. And third, the patient would book an appointment from the front end link that we have just shown you, that you put up on your website or your social media or in Google Business Listing. Thanks for listening to us. Subscribe to our channel to keep receiving this kind of informative videos. Thank you for hearing us out.